as examined in the documentary Digital Food. The food industry of tomorrow, the idea of digital food, pushes us to rethink how food will be produced and consumed in a time of environmental concern and technological growth. In order to solve global concerns like food security, sustainability, and climate change, it makes people think about how digital innovations from big data and artificial intelligence or AI to precision farming could transform conventional food system. The documentary's main question is whether we are prepared to accept a paradigm shift that incorporates technology into one of humanity's most basic necessities while simultaneously assessing the social, ethical, and environmental ramification of this change. Refers to the integration of advanced technologies like big data, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and molecular analysis into the food industry. The goal is to revolutionize the way food is produced, distributed, and consumed in response to growing challenges such as population growth, climate change, and the limitation of traditional agricultural systems. Now, we will talk about the advantage and disadvantages of digital food. First, we'll talk about the advantages. First advantage is efficiency and sustainability. In response to escalating issues including population increase, climate change, and the shortcomings of conventional agricultural system, the objective is to complete transform the production, distribution, and consumption of food. Second advantage is the adaptation to climate change. Producers may lessen the impact of climates unpredictably on crops and guarantee consistent food production by implementing data-driven farming. Now, we will talk about the disadvantages. Innovative food solution, digital method make it possible to reintroduce underutilized resources as useful ingredients, such as neglected fish species, encouraging diversity and cutting waste. Second disadvantage is environmental risk. Although the goal of digital food is sustainability, the manufacture and disposal of sophisticated machinery may result in an increase in electronic waste. Though they are not a comprehensive answer, digital food technologies provide effective solutions to address sustainability and food insecurity. To guarantee inclusion and equity, they must be supported by policy reform, international collaboration, and traditional farming practices. Although digital food has a lot of promise, the documentary contends that overcoming its drawbacks and incorporating it into more comprehensive, all-encompassing plans for sustainable food system are necessary for its success. Given its potential to transform the food business and advance global food security and sustainability, I would support digital food with caution. However, integrating traditional farming methods, avoiding environmental effects, and guaranteeing accessibility would be prerequisite for this assistance. To guarantee that digital food serves society as a whole without escalating already existing disparities or disposing new concern, a balanced approach is essential. The video emphasizes that while digital food is one component of the answer, it is not the only one, and that communities, technologies, and legislators must work together to build a just and sustainable food future. That's all. Thank you for listening.